this is, oh, we found it. I took these electrical outlets, so we're going to compensate. I'm going to add a piece of 2x4 here and over there, 2, and put these plugs back to the new outlet and put a drywall. See, we divided this into 3 parts based on the studs and what makes sense. So that far one and this middle, while we were lucky that the end of this is basically here, and we are going to use a small piece here which I cut basically to accommodate this space, which has, as you can see, these pipes, so it has to be, I had to accommodate from the bottom and accommodate from the top. Okay, I'm just recording the process here. Okay, now this is the final product. Final work. From exposed to this.